Keep trusting and depending on Christ. Don't you give up too soon. Be patient, He's not through with you. He's working it out, so don't you doubt what the Lord can do. My God is able. He can do anything but fail. He can fix any situation. All you have to do is cast your cares upon Him, 'cause He cares for you, and He feels what you're going through. So call Him up anytime you need. He'll be right there. You're tossing and you're turning. You're crying all night long. You can't sleep because you lost your peace, and you don't feel like going on. Sadness has overcome you. Misery and pain. I know it's hard not getting wet when in life there is so much rain. Jesus can protect you. He's a shelter from the storm. He is there to the rescue, saving His people from harm. You don't have to worry no more, and He'll help you to stay on course. Just keep your soul anchored in the Lord. He'll lead you home. Bring your problems to the Lord. There ain't nothing for Him that's too hard. He'll give you joy.